Operation Trashy 1, what we are learning that another terrorist has been neutralized. That brings the total now to 3. In Kishtwar, as this operation continues, our brave armed forces have now neutralized another terrorist. This is a big success that is now coming in our way of our joint security forces that have been carrying out this operation. Ankit, ek aur atanki maar giraya gaya hai. 3 of them have been neutralized now.
Yes, absolutely. This is a very big success for the Jammu and Kashmir Police, Indian Army and the security forces. What we are learning is that one more terrorist has been neutralized by the Jammu and Kashmir Police and the Indian Army. He is also from the Jaish terror outfit who has been neutralized. Total of the 3 terrorists has been neutralized under the Operation Trashy 1. What we are learning is that arms and ammunition has also been recovered by the security forces, and this is a major success for the Indian Army and the Jammu and Kashmir Police. The input was generated by the Jammu and Kashmir Police and the security agencies. At 11 a.m., the security agencies launched the anti-terror operation. The terrorists were hiding in a dock. A brief exchange of fire took place. 3 of the terrorists has been pinned down by the security forces. Large number of arms and ammunition, including 2 AK series rifles.
Big success now as far as Operation Trashy 1 is concerned. 3 terrorists have now been eliminated as part of the ongoing operation. Please to stay on with us, Ankit. We have another breaking update coming in that a brave K9 trooper Tyson of the Indian Army was injured during the counter-terror operation in Kishwar's Chatru area, and what is being said that the elite German Shepherd was the first to charge towards the terrorist hideout and sustained a bullet injury during the exchange of fire. Despite being shot, Tyson continued advancing and demonstrating exceptional courage and loyalty in the line of duty. So he's been airlifted for medical treatment, Ankit, but this is a brave dog of the armed forces that we're looking at, a K9 trooper no less.
Yes, absolutely. He's a brave silent warrior of the Indian Army. When Indian Army launched the Operation Trashy, when they got the information that the 3 terrorists of the Jaish-e-Mohammed are hiding in the dock, he was the first who charged this operation. He was the first who stepped into the operation, but unfortunately he got injured. What we are learning is that his condition is totally stable, and this shows how
the best guy, because he's shown a lot of courage and bravery when it comes to tackling the dreaded terrorists there. However, big success coming in for our security forces. 3 of those terrorists have now been neutralized. Thank you very much, Ankit, for getting us that update. Back after a short break. You're watching Times Now.